everyone, and welcome to our instructional video on updating your reticle library in AB Quantum. So in update 3.5, we changed how this worked to make it a little easier for y'all. So if I go here to profiles now, and we'll just start with creating a new profile, but what you'll find is this button here under scope properties that says update reticles. That isn't going to just apply to a new profile. If I go to any one of these, like this test profile here, and hit the icon here, you can see I've got that update reticle functionality. And so all you need to do is just hit the button to update this new reticle library. And it's going to download that update for you. It's going to take just a moment here, but that is how you update the reticle library now in AB Quantum. So hopefully this video was helpful. I know it's short, but we wanted to get this information out to everyone. Thank you and have a great day.